Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Twilio data ingestion into AWS Redshift step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift service. Create a new cluster if you do not have one. Select the option to create a cluster. Fill in the necessary details such as cluster identifier, database name, and master user credentials. Choose the appropriate node type based on your data workload. Configure additional settings such as VPC and security groups. Launch the cluster and wait for it to be ready. Next, log in to your Twilio console. Access the Twilio API section and identify the data you want to ingest. Generate an API key and secret for authentication. Make note of your account SID and auth token. Now, in your AWS Redshift cluster, create the necessary tables to hold the Twilio data. Define the schema that matches the data structure from Twilio. Once your tables are set up, you will need to establish an S3 bucket. Log into the S3 service within your AWS console. Create a new bucket for Twilio data ingestion. Set the appropriate access permissions to allow data uploads. In Twilio, set up a webhook to send data to your S3 bucket. Utilize the Twilio console to configure the webhook URL to point to your S3 endpoint. Test the webhook to ensure data is being sent correctly. Now, switch back to your Amazon Redshift cluster. Create a copy command to import data from your S3 bucket into Redshift. Use the necessary IAM role that has permissions to access the S3 bucket. Run the copy command in your Redshift query editor. Once completed, verify that the data has been correctly ingested. You can now query your Twilio data within Amazon Redshift for analysis. Regularly monitor the S3 bucket for incoming data from Twilio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.